I came to the symposium this week to be able to connect with a community of researchers and practitioners who are all focused on solutions around ecological restoration in the coastal and marine zone.
Well, I came to this symposium because for me it's an important opportunity to connect with people and hear about real experiences about restoration happening across Australia.
So I've been to every ACRN Symposium now, and it's just such a great opportunity to hear the latest in science and restoration practice.
I came to the symposium to network with Australia's best and leading coastal restoration practitioners and scientists.
I'm running a workshop here on risks and mitigation strategies for marine restoration, but also I really value the connection with other participants in the conference.
There are many reasons why I'm here. I guess to pick my brains about long-term revegetation.
I love coming to ACRN because it brings a mix of practitioners, policymakers and researchers together in the one spot.
It's a fabulous community to be involved with. It's lovely to be able to come together and talk about those challenges and come up with ideas of how we can overcome them.